Live from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, welcome to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. This is Josh. In today's video, we're going to be going over working capital for online businesses. So this may not be for everybody that's building business credit and that follows me, but if you are an online business, you sell on Amazon, eBay, or any of the other sites, marketplaces, then this may be a resource or avenue you can go down to get funding, access working capital, and get insights on what your company is worth. So as it says here, Clearco, formerly Clearbank, and Get Business Credit YouTube channel has partnered. So we partnered to provide you with financial tools and to grow your business. I'm going to have the founder of Clearco or one of the top executives come on the channel to explain a little bit more than I can. But I'm going to go through today on this video and walk you through like the sign up process and everything. So some of you guys may know, Clearbank before offered like a line of credit card for businesses. They no longer offer that. Now they're switched kind of into a few different products. So we'll get into that. And before I get into that, if you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and turn the bell notification on. I'd really appreciate that. Okay. So like I said, they're a fintech company. So if you've heard of, say, Fundbox and some of these other merchant processors that, are invoice factoring type company, they're similar to, Clearco, similar to those, but they're a little bit different because they're a fintech company for one. They analyze the data, give you a valuation of what your company is worth, and they're pretty cheap on their fees as well compared to a lot of the other ones that are offering online working capital. So like it says here, who we fund, Clearco funds online businesses that are making over $10,000 a month. So that's a downfall because, if you're only making, say, $5,000 a month, you will not qualify for this. So that's only for those that are making $10,000 more or more a month. So you can get funded today. If you connect everything, you can get funded same day. Anywhere from $10,000 to $10 million is what they'll fund. Flexible payments on your terms. Their unique revenue share model means that you only pay us or pay them when you generate revenue. And they only charge 6 to 12%. And they don't charge any additional fees. So let me get into the actual data and what you're going to have to connect. So once you sign up, use the link in the description below. And what's going to happen is this is going to come up and you have to connect your billing platform. So you definitely have to be using one of these, either Stripe, if you're taking Stripe, if you have a Shopify store, you can connect that, or PayPal. There's several of them here you can choose from. In your sales platform, like I said, Stripe, PayPal, Square, Amazon, Authorize.net, Google Play, App Store, WooCommerce, Shopify. So there's so many to choose from here. And then you connect to your accounting platform, QuickBooks, FreshBooks, whatever one that you use for your accounting. And then you're going to put in your business details. This is just a demo of my application just to show you guys. It's pretty self-explanatory. And what's nice about this is you don't have to input everything because you just put in your login to, these different platforms, and they pull it and start reading your information. So you connect your business bank account to your personal bank account, and then you're going to put like the business owner information. And then at the end, you're going to see where they're going to ask you for your business documents. Some of them require, some of them don't. Just depends on what your situation is. But you are going to have to upload, your like EIN letter and your ID so they can verify all that. So once you have all that in there, then you can go over to, it will start to evaluate everything, and you'll know probably within an hour or 2 hours after it's compiling all the data that you inputted, it's going to let you know if you qualify or not for working capital. So like I said, this video and this product isn't for everybody. It's for those that have an online business selling something online, like I said, your own store or eBay, Amazon, Shopify, whatever. So they have 2 products right here. Like it shows Growth Capital, Clearco's flagship award-winning growth capital product. Get the capital you need to grow your business without giving up equity. So what do you need to qualify? You need a monthly revenue of 10,000 or more and at least 6 months of revenue data. And then you're going to hit get started there. Or they also offer Clearco can fund your next inventory purchase. You pay us when your inventory is sold. Additional terms and conditions apply. So what do you need to qualify? Companies that buy and hold inventory. So for inventory financing, it's kind of like the working capital, but they're basically going to give you a loan to buy, new stocks in your inventory. So, and let me show you here. I skipped over it here. This is just a, sample data, but it's one of my companies here. And of course it's shown, it's not worth a whole lot because I don't do a whole lot with this company. 37,000 to 46,000 is what they're saying the company's worth. So it'll analyze all the data based on, your sales and your accounting. So like I said, that it's pretty self-explanatory. And let me see here. So then it shows like insights right here. You can go to the insights tab and it'll kind of give you the revenue growth because it's going to pull back, months of data from your different programs as much as you have. And it's going to kind of put that all into perspective. So revenue growth, it's going to show, your percentage on that, your average order amount. If you're, advertising, you connect your marketing and it's going to, analyze that as well. So like I said, Clearbank, it's not just for like, working capital. It's free to sign up and you can connect all your accounts if you want to get this data for free too. And this data can give you a lot of insight as well. So shows the average order amount, number of orders, and refunds. So, it's quite comprehensive, so yeah, I mean, that's, I think pretty self-explanatory on that. They do offer where's it at here? I just saw it here. I think under valuation. Yeah, I think down here. So they offer this. It's introducing Clear Cash. So banking reimagined by founders for founders. It's the first founder first and featured rich banking experience designed for e-commerce businesses. Learn how Clearco is evening the playing field with premier business banking. So you go to that and then it'll say build your business credit score to reduce the cost of capital. Maximize your future financing opportunities by building your credit today. So I think what it does is they do report to either Small Business Financial Exchange or Dun and Bradstreet Experian. And it's just a business bank account, but I think all that data is being reported. I'm going to get some clarification on this because this is a brand new product. And it's, grow your business, not your cost. No minimum balance required. Free incoming and outgoing ACH. Free incoming wires. Outgoing domestic wires at cost $5. So, a lot of outgoing wires cost traditional banks $30, $40. they only charge $5. No outgoing international wires, or I should say outgoing international wires at cost $20. No hidden fees. So that's all pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted to put this out there for you guys. Check the link in the description below. Like I said, if you are an online business, at least at the very least, plug in all your data for this. Even if you don't qualify for the, funding, you may only have like 3,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 a month that you're doing. But if you get in now and put all your data, it'll at least give you an idea where your insights are for your business, and it will keep on pulling that data going forward, and then they'll give you a notification on when you do qualify. So you could qualify a couple months down the line, and they'll let you know what options you have on qualifying for the funding. So anyways, that's all for this video, and I'm sorry for those that are not online businesses. You guys may have were looking for some type of capital video or funding video. I promise that's coming soon. I just want to get this one out there. And if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And again, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and turning the bell notification on. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, you guys take care. Okay, bye-bye.